Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make Khoba meat. So it has a meat inside compared to the other Khoba, which is the cheese one. So this is Helen saying more. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So wanna know how I make this Khoba meat? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need potatoes, we need rice, we also need orange lentils, or in Arabic they call it ades. We also need tomato paste, we also need egg, we also need onion, and we also need a minced meat. For the spices, we need cumin powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, black lemon powder, a little bit of curry powder. We also need meat spices. So first, we're going to boil our potatoes. Switch on the fire and then put the potatoes in. So there, our potatoes. So now our potatoes are done. So we're going to peel the potatoes, then we're going to mix it. So after we cook the potato, we're going to peel it manually. Some you can use your knife if you want. You can use your hand if it's not too much hot. So now I have already finished remove all the skin of the potatoes, and it's ready to cut and make it on the grinder. So this is our potatoes. We're going to cut them. Then we're going to add some salt. And now we're going to start grinding it. Next is we're going to boil also the rice and the orange lentils or the ades. So it's very easy, you're just going to boil them all. So we're going to wait until our water is boiling. Then we're going to put our rice and the lentils. So while waiting our water to boil, we're going to wash our rice. Then put the orange lentils on it together. We're going to clean it, soak it, and then wait until the water is boiling. So now I have already soaked it, so we'll wait till the water will get boiled. So this time the water is boiling, we're going to put our rice and the orange lentils. Then we're going to add the spices. And a little bit of salt. Then let it get boiled until it gets done. So after boiling, now the rice is done. So we're going to put it in the steamer, and we're going to start grind it. So this is our steamer. And then we're going to put it again in the pan. So this time we're going to switch on our grinder so that we can grind our potatoes and the rice. So now it's on. So you're going to put the rice, then some potatoes, so here's the outcome, and we'll do the rest until it gets finished. So now I have already grind them all. So this is all. So we're going to put egg and tomato paste on it and mix it. So this is the egg and this is the tomato paste. Now we're going to put it to our rice and potato that is already blended. Then this time we're going to mix using our hand. So let's mix. So this is already mixed. So we're going to start making the kuba. We need onion and we're going to cut them into small pieces. So this time we're going to cook our onion with meat and put all the spices. Then you put salt. Then mix it. Until it's a little bit cooked. Then we put the meat. Then we put our minced meat. Mix with the onion and we let it cook a little bit. Add some salt. Then mix. Until it's done. So now it's done. It's ready to make for our khoba.
Dat is zo'n veel ooit mooi. Hierbij.
So we're going to fry some of the khoba. We'll see if it's good result. So now our Khoba meat is done. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. God bless us all, and bye bye.